Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to GordonStateWeather.com and GordonStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. This is the afternoon video forecast discussion for Friday, the 3rd of April, 2020. We've got our beautiful flowers, which are sprouting out all over the place. Well, it will be May soon. April showers bring May flowers, right, as they say. We want to keep things on the positive side for today. We're late with the forecast today. I did a couple updates on the Garden State Blogspot site and also included a global map of the tracking of COVID-19. Was doing a lot of things around the house today, organizing, cleaning closets out, steam cleaning. Pretty soon we're going to put up a brand new operating system in our office here, so it's taking up my time. This is also taking up our time. It's a lot of clouds and northeast flow coming in from off the ocean. And here's our striations of some of those cumulus clouds here, lower clouds here, mixed in with some sunshine and some sprinkles too, as our deep storm from off the northern western mid-Atlantic continues to deepen and retrograde slowly southward. Here's our composite radar from Fort Dix this afternoon, and the composite radar from the northeast as well shows bands of these showers driving southwest through Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Long Island Sound, New York City, northeastern New Jersey, Pennsylvania as well. And they're in and out of here. Most of the precipitation is concentrated over this area, which was naturally forecasted to begin with, but we did mention that a few areas here and there would see some scattered spot showers around the region. Okay, we're back up and running again. This goes west. This shows you, this is Hawaii way out here. Here's other disturbances moving into California today, which we can see, and again, our very active subtropical jet stream. I want to take another look at this all the way into the tropical convergence zone. And doesn't this say a lot here? Look at this connection. And the goes east, full disk imagery, the subtropical jet stream, the polar jet stream, all these disturbances, which are located here off the California coast, having streaming difficulties this afternoon. And look at this connection to the subtropical jet stream all the way down into the tropics and the interconvergence zone. Yes, folks. And this is a beauty to see. Look at this retrogression of this big upper level nor'easter here off the east coast, retrograding south and west. Here's our area where we had convergence and confluence, and that's shrinking now because everything is being backdoored as the system is pulling out. We have some blocking here north of Greenland, and we got so many things going on in this flow. Storm systems coming into the west coast, our active subtropical jet stream with a connection all the way into the tropics. Lots of things going on, and multiple short waves here. We had a storm system exit into Canada now, new storm system coming into the west coast. We got lots of activity going on here, and we'll get into it right now. Early afternoon national meso analysis from the Storm Prediction Center's HRRR model, rapid refresh. Here's our 990, 980, 988 millibar low spinning here out over the east coast and retrograding south and west out over the ocean. So we have a north to northeast flow this afternoon, and well, you know, got lots of low clouds and sprinkles and bits of sunshine here and there, and most of the winds are out over the ocean. We'll take a look at those in a minute. Here's our another low here in the southern plains, high pressure building in across the northern plains down through Texas. Still an active subtropical jet stream in here. Here's a cold front in here, and here's our storm from yesterday heading into Canada. Here's a new couple of lows here moving into the Intermountain West, or the Northwest actually. High pressure briefly builds in across California. Still some divergence here in the atmosphere with some precipitation here and intermountain snows, but for the most part, we got another storm system ready to roll into the west coast. Take a look at the storm browser from iWeatherNet. Look at all these storm reports of snow yesterday in North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, portions of Wyoming, portions of Colorado. And look at all these live lightning strikes here across southeastern Kansas, the Missouri area into Des Moines. we've had these reports here means that there's some flooding, freezing rain. Yeah, so it's cold. Look at the temperatures here in Canada, all the way down into the northwest and central plains today. Very cold. Still additional showers and thunderstorms with lightning around just west of San Antonio. Yeah, so you see a lot of action going on here. Wind advisories here. Right? Yeah, it's a Ramalama ding dong. Let's check in with the afternoon 1:32 temperatures here from the New Jersey Weather Network. Upper 40s here in Sussex County, low to mid 50s everywhere. So it's about normal for this time of the year. Even down into the northern areas here, maybe this is a little bit off. This should be in the upper 50s here in the I-95 Philadelphia Delaware corridor. And I also just found out if you have New Jersey plates, they don't want you coming down in Delaware. Oh. Plus lots of other sad news today too. Minimum temperatures today in the upper 30s again across Sussex County, low to mid 40s, just about everywhere else. Blah, blah, blah. Winds have definitely lightened up since yesterday, but they're still gusty, especially along the coast. And over the interior, about 5 to 15 miles per hour at times. Some of the wind gusts this afternoon, well, they're not too bad, considering it was a lot worse yesterday. From our good friends at Pivotal Weather, here is the national temperatures this afternoon at around 1 o'clock. Well, this tells a tale, and this tells a tale. You want to be here, not here. Capiche? Capiche. Let's see, 24-hour temperature change. We always do this. Where the cold front's coming in, and all the cold air is building in, 25, 30, 35, 40-degree difference in temperatures here from the northern plains, from Minnesota all the way down to Texas. That's interesting. What would you expect? I'm definitely in a persnickety mood this afternoon. Don't know how that happened. I was in a good mood earlier this morning, but that changed. Probably read some bad news again. Here's all the rain and intermountain snows here over the last 168 hours, ending this morning at 8 a.m. So Washington and Oregon have seen some intermountain snows here and rain. Also portions of California too, Northern California. And this is through 8 a.m. this morning. This is not what's coming. There's a lot more stuff coming here. And look at all the swaths of moderate to heavy rain and snow here in Maine, southeastern Canada. You know, we're dealing with feet and feet and feet of snow here. We went over this yesterday. How many times do we have to go over it? And of course, the Tennessee, Ohio, Mississippi, River Valley area. Nothing new. Obviously, National Digidatabase forecasted temperatures for today on Friday. You can see where it's cold, and where it's warm, it's warm. And with our retrograding storm dropping off the New England coast, it's cold and chilly and raw. Things change. As we get into Saturday, things improve. We start getting warmer air into the northern mid-Atlantic once again. Very warm weather over the southeast and especially Florida. Still very cold, though, over the northwestern coast, here into the Intermountain Ranges, here into the northern and central plains, to even parts of interior central Texas here. And again, northern mountains and interior central mountains of California are going to be below normal as we head into Saturday. By Sunday, hello, Sunday, here you go. Sunday, same situation, warm weather across the east, and things begin to moderate a little bit across the northern and central plains, but still quite cold across the northern plains, the Rockies, the Intermountain West, and portions of California. That's for Sunday. For Monday, same kind of story. Don't see much change here by Tuesday. Again, the same thing spreading across the north and the west, where below normal temperatures are going to be anticipated. But look at this massive warm-up that's coming through the central United States, where temperatures were in the 20s and 30s. Now they're getting into the 80s again. Call this dynamic if you want, but it's spring, so you'd expect that. It's going to be on Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, again, same kind of thing. A little cooler here in the north. Moderate temperatures here across the northern mid-Atlantic, the Ohio River Valley, Tennessee River Valley, Mississippi River Valley in the southeast, where temperatures are really warm. You're going to want to be outside those days if you can. If you're not under, COVID-19 lockdown, which just about, 3/4 of the United States is under at this point. And by the time we get to Thursday of next week, again, temperatures, not that much change. Warming up a little bit here, cooling down a little bit here. It's still pretty warm across the southeast into Texas. That's it. I really don't feel like going any further this afternoon. Maybe I'll be back tonight, but I think for the rest of the day after, working around the house, the office, and in closets and stuff like that, I think that, it's just time to watch a movie or something. I don't use cable anymore, so, we use other services. But, do what you want. Listen to music, watch a movie, go to bed. After all, I do. You should too. For GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm meteorologist Robert Smith. Have a good Friday evening, the best you can.